Good?
Okay. But yeah, so just, you'll see the line, just shoot once on one, shoot one on the other. But like I said, Devin's got to go first. And then I'm gonna give cut in, try to give cut in always to Caleb. And then I'm also gonna have a mark for the crown going up. You should see my pencil mark. I think I put it at your end, Caleb, or you see the pencil mark? Okay, it's
up on that?
no. The pencil mark going up on the actual board. Caleb, do you see a pencil mark? Okay. All right. So go ahead and take one screw. Like, yep. There you go. That's what we're doing on purpose. You're good.
I go here?
Yep. Just make sure you, what I do is push my head against it so I know I'm hitting the left metal, or that too. And then, there you go. And then you take one more, take one more and put it into the joist.
Okay.
And then as soon as you get one, you yell at Caleb, good.
Good.
Okay. So, yep. And then you also got to put some on the left side too now that go into the joist.
Okay.
One thing I've noticed to help with that stripping, the ones that go into the joist at a 45 there, is doing more flat instead of in an angle.
So, this way?
Yeah. And then also just keep in mind, like you said, just make sure sometimes when you screw in the joist, it will push this joist out. It makes a gap. You got to just take the screw back out and push again.
Here it will?
Yeah.
You want it flush with this?
Yeah. Well, I'm talking about like in and out. Like sometimes when you put those screws in at an angle like that, it'll move that joist. So you just take them back out and put them in more flatwise. How is our measure? I mean, was it on the 2 feet?
I mean, there's a lot of movement. There's a lot of movement. So it's kind of hard. I mean, yeah, you're just a little bigger than you need. That's why I was checking. I mean, if your layout marks are right, it's just your top.
What was it?
I didn't check those.
I thought you just measured it just a second ago.
I measured just to see these last ones, make sure they were.
And what were they?
It looked like it was 2 foot.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, like I said, there's still a lot of movement.
I know, I was just 19. I've got a pencil mark on there. 20 foot, 316.
On the Arkansas side. There you go. There you go.
Maybe we'll cut that out. Can you grab this? Ready?
No, terrible.
I've got a crown mark. What? Are we? I'll cut that off. Just go ahead and shoot it. I'll get it on the next one. You cut me long. Where's that laser at? I'm coming up beside you. Yep. What?
All the heat's coming up here. We have to kill.
What? Just turn that one off, Cale. You got it? Here we go, Deb. Get ready. I'm gonna shove it. Oh, that's all I got. How's she fit? Sounds like
I guess go kill that heater.
this. Do what? No. That's all we need to post. Ah! Devin, go and put your ladder on the inside. Well, that's why he's coming in. I'm telling you, it's gonna be harder if you go through that window. Grab it. Wait, what exactly are you?
Almost did.
Arkansas side